Hey there, solo adventurers! Welcome back to our channel. If you're a fellow solo traveler or if you're planning to embark on your first solo journey, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the essential must-haves for every solo traveler. These items are your trusty companions, your travel confidants, ensuring that you have a smooth and unforgettable expedition. So, without further ado, let's jump into the solo traveler must-haves. 1. The perfect backpack. First up, we have the heart and soul of every traveler, the perfect backpack. Look for one that's sturdy, comfortable, and just the right size to carry your essentials. A good backpack becomes your home away from home, carrying not just your belongings, but also your memories. 2. Travel documents organizer. Next on the list is a travel documents organizer. Keep your passport, tickets, itineraries, and important information in one safe and accessible place. Trust me, staying organized makes your journey much smoother and stress-free. 3. Portable charger. Now, let's talk about tech. A portable charger is an absolute lifesaver, ensuring your devices stay powered up even during long days of exploration. Capture those stunning views and share your experiences without worrying about a dead battery. 4. Universal adapter. Don't forget a universal adapter. This little gadget ensures you can charge your devices no matter where you are in the world. It's a small investment that prevents big headaches. 5. First aid kit. Safety first. A compact first aid kit is a solo traveler's best friend. From minor cuts to headaches, having essential medical supplies on hand can save the day and keep you exploring without a hitch. 6. Reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is key, and a reusable water bottle is an eco-friendly way to do it. Stay refreshed and reduce plastic waste. It's a win-win. 7. Travel insurance. Let's talk about something crucial, travel insurance. It's your safety net against unexpected situations. Remember, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. 8. Portable safety lock. For added security, a portable safety lock is a smart addition. Use it to lock your belongings in shared accommodations or secure your bag while you're on the move. And there you have it, your ultimate solo traveler must-haves. These essentials are more than just items, they're the tools that empower you to explore the world with confidence. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more travel wisdom and inspiration. Until next time, happy travels, fellow solo wanderers. Thank you for watching.